Hello, how are you? I hope you're fine. Okay, today we're going to start with task 3. So we have to do the review of Unit 4, okay? The review. First of all, we're going to page 58 and go to exercise number 1. Exercise number 1 is a listening, and it says listen and number. So what you have to do is listen to the audio and write numbers in each animal. So we're going to wait. Yes, you should write the numbers here in the squares. That's right. So I'm going to play the audio, and you can listen to it all the times you need. Okay, you can listen to it once or twice or 3 times or the times you need in order to do this exercise. Yes? So ready, steady, go.
Listen and number. 1.
It lives in the jungle. It's got scales and legs, but it hasn't got fur. It can crawl, swim and run, but it can't fly.
2.
It lives in the jungle. It's got fur and a tail, but it hasn't got feathers. It can climb and jump, but it can't fly.
3.
It lives in the sea. It's got fins and a tail, but it hasn't got feathers. It can swim, but it can't run.
4.
It lives in the jungle. It's got feathers and a beak, but it hasn't got scales. It can fly and speak, but it can't crawl.
5.
It lives in the jungle. It's got scales and a tail, but it hasn't got legs. It can crawl, but it can't fly.
Okay, that's right. So you have the descriptions of all these animals, and you have to write the numbers where it suits. Yes, that's right. Then we have exercise number 2. That this exercise is a speaking exercise, and we're going to do it on Wednesday on the online class. Okay, so you don't have to do exercise 2 now. You pass to exercise number 3. It says look and circle the words. So you have to look, and when you find a word you have to circle it. Okay, there are some words hidden here in this snake, so you have to find them and circle them. It's very easy. That's right, this is exercise number 3. Now you've got exercise number 4. It's a reading exercise. It says read and circle. You have to read these questions and circle the correct answer. Yes, they have, or no, they haven't. Yes? Have sharks got wings? Have eagles got beaks? Have lizards got tails? Have octopuses got fins? Okay, so you circle yes or no. Yes, they have, or no, they haven't, as you think it is. Now we go to page 59 and do exercise number 5, that it's another reading exercise. Okay, here the exercise says read and answer. So we have to read the fact files that we have here, the fact file of the camel and the fact file of the owl, And when we have read it, we have to answer these questions. Okay? Where does a camel live? What does it eat? Can it run? And for the owl, where does an owl live? Has it got far? Can it fly? Okay? It's easy. It's a reading exercise, but it's very easy for you. And then the last one is exercise number 6. You should choose an animal, any animal that you want, and you should make a fact file and draw the name of the animal, the color, the body, okay, things about their body, things about the food, things that they can eat, the habitat where they live, and their abilities. Can eat, it can run, it can, okay? So the animal is the name of the animal, maybe a monkey. Color, we can say brown. Body, we can say fur, tail, okay? Food, bananas. Habitat, jungle. And abilities, it can climb. Okay, you can write more than one, please. Write more than one. That's right, and then you can draw it. So, I think this is all, yes, because this is another speaking animal exercise, sorry. And that's all for today. That's right. So, see you. Bye-bye.